fidgets and no poppets. Ugh. Oh God. I'm gonna take a little walk. So bored. What is this that just flew up the sky? It says, "Hi and welcome to the Fidget Hunt." OMG, I'm really at the Fidget Hunt. I heard a lot of TikTokers and all of them with all the fancy poppets and stuff have been here. Oh my God, I'm so excited. This is amazing. But I'm still bored. What should I do? I'm so mad. But I still don't got fidgets or poppet. Nothing that's a fidget or poppet. Let's go find some fidgets. Look at that! I gotta go. What is this? Oh my God. It's a DIY paper squishy. Good! Oh my God, I love it. I love it! Oh my God, it can finally! The heart. Kind of broken, but it will do. Let's keep on walking. See anything? Anything here? Anything over there? Seriously, anything under there? Oh my God. Ugh. I give up. There's nothing here. Just gonna keep on looking around. What is that? Let's go. Oh my God. Oh my God. Guys. Oh my God. Oh my God, it's a homemade. Oh my God, it's just so awesome. I can't. I seriously can't. Crunch, 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 crunch. Oh my God, yes!